Scammers often pretend to be well-known companies, taking advantage of our trust for them. In this video, we show you how scammers pretend to be Royal Mail to scam you. We now shop online more than ever before, which means we use more delivery services. Scammers know this and use this as an opportunity to send out millions of fake delivery texts supposedly coming from Royal Mail, counting on the fact that some people may actually mistake those for the real thing. These scam texts are so popular and sent out in such high volume that it is likely that you've seen one of these messages already. These usually claim an additional fee is required for you to receive your parcel. You'll be given a link that will take you to a payment page. Never click on these links. Be very careful, as some